In 2009, we decided to restore a classic Feadship called Serena. We thought it would be a great opportunity to involve students who wanted to learn the craft of shipbuilding. Het vak nog moesten leren.
She was built in the 50s and now reimagined. Welcome to Finding Mira.
Nou, zodoende zijn we toen op zoek. We began searching for students, but soon realized that regular schools weren't the best fit for us due to our specific demands. So we created a classroom right here at the shipyard and appointed master craftsmen to teach the students. We zo beginnen. En zo is that's how the Feadship Training Center started in 2011. 4 years later, we were even recognized as the best company school in the Netherlands. Nou, in het specifieke geval, a total of 45 students worked on the Mira, alongside quite a few specialists. In total, around 60 people contributed to the restoration of this yacht. I regularly visit the worksite to ask the students for their opinions, and what they all tell me is that they really appreciate being trusted to find their own solutions to the problems they encounter.
Het meeste van leren.
It's a learning by doing approach. If you make a mistake, which happens to everyone, the teachers give you the time to find a solution and correct the mistake yourself. Every Feadship we've restored with students has been a classic yacht, and they have all become part of the heritage fleet. The program has been very successful. I'm also a big fan of classic Feadships, so it would be fantastic if we could find a few more, bring them out of their old sheds and restore them. It's time to start searching again.